Today, 16th of December, I'm going to do a market overview over the main forex pairs and mainly also in the most popular crypto pairs and BTC, Ethereum, maybe some others. But right now, we're going to start with the DXY or Dixie. As we can see, we're starting on the weekly time frame. We can see that a nice clean CRT is happening. We've swept this liquidity from this ranging candle, and we are probably gonna target this high of this CRT candle. What else to say about Dixie? There's no much to say. Maybe from this 5 days closure, we could potentially come down to this zone, but since we are in a bullish environment, we came to the 50%, and from now on we are expecting a continuation to take this liquidity above over there. Next up, we look at the Euro USD. The Euro USD is basically the inverse of the DXY. We can see on the weekly same thing but inversed. We can see the CRT candle. We can see that we have swept this liquidity, and now we are targeting this low we have right here. And later on, going to the daily, what I can expect is that we come over to this zone, and from there like make a continuation. Now it's Monday, so probably it's gonna be consolidation day. There won't be many entries from here, but that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting some kind of liquidity take. Maybe this was a liquidity take and then continuation to the downside, but since it's Monday, it's probably gonna be a consolidation day. There's not much going to be. Overall, we still have news. On Monday that could mean more volatility for us. We can see we've went a couple of news already, but since there aren't many left, then only on USD and USD CAD, then probably we are not gonna see much more movement on Euro. And going into GBP, it's basically very similar to Euro. We can see the CRT candle, this big not consolidation but big range we have right here. It got swept by this weekly candle, and from there we've seen the last week on expansion to the downside that we are probably gonna see in this week as well. Another continuation to the downside to take out this liquidity down here and potentially this one over here as well. And for the daily, I'm expecting a sweep of this liquidity we have right here into this fair value gap, and from there, like same with Euro, continuation to the downside. GBP is actually clearer for me. We can see much clearer price action on GBP than on Euro. And yeah, that's what I'm expecting for GBP. Coming down to GJ, on GJ, going even into the monthly. No, sorry, what was it? Was it on the weekly? I think it was on the monthly though. I have marked out this monthly range CRT. We have this monthly range CRT where we have swept it right on the beginning of this month, and from now I'm seeing and potentially seeing a continuation to the upside to take out this liquidity over here. We've seen that the Thursday CRT candle got swept, and from now on in the short term I'm expecting this high to be taken, and potentially tomorrow we can see some liquidity sweep, and from there a continuation to the upside, just like our bias is saying. On gold, I can see on the monthly that we have swept this monthly range. We have swept it. We closed above it right here, and right now we should have seen that this is gonna be. We should see like the rest of this month is gonna be an expansion to the upside. But for now, I have seen that we swept this liquidity right here, and we potentially could go down here to this low, but even if we don't get to go to this low, we're probably just gonna make a continuation to the upside, just like we are seeing like CRT happening right here. But since it's Monday, it's not really a probable one. Going into crypto, on crypto we can see there's some kind of upwards movement right now, upwards ranging movement. And honestly, what I'm expecting, like we can see on the monthly, we are still since the beginning of the month, since the open of the month, we've been really bullish. But going into the weekly, what I'm expecting is that on this CRT candle, we can see that we on the previous week we have closed almost above it, but we didn't. And the on the beginning of this month, we can see that we are sweeping this high right here from this also candle. And what I'm expecting is that if we get a close below this zone, this CRT high, then we are probably gonna be even targeting these lows right here. That potentially we could find a reverse to the upside from here and the continuation upwards. If not, if we do close above this high, then what I'm expecting is a come down into this some kind of liquidity over either over here, or either even over there, and a continuation to the upside. That's what I'm looking at on BTC. Going into Ethereum, on Ethereum I'm expecting probably this like really similar bias as on BTC. I'm expecting that we take out this CRT low, this liquidity down here, and from there potential upside move for Ethereum. Now uh, I'm not expecting a retracement that low, because Ethereum, I'm seeing Ethereum as more bullish, and it has a lot of more potential to grow to the upside. And we can see on the weekly that we have swept this week, this beginning of the week, we have swept it. And honestly, what I'm really actually expecting is that I come down over here, sweep this liquidity right here, react from this zone, and from there go to the upside. On the rest of the overall um, alt pairs, I think we are going to be probably dropping. We're gonna be doing some kind of correction on all of them, because if we can see that if BTC just moves a little bit, all the alt pairs are dropping straight away. But what I would do, I probably would close all the positions that I have right now. This is not basically, this is not a financial advice, but if you see, if we actually get BTC coming all the way down here, I don't know if the altcoins will actually hold. For now, they are not holding. We can see like minus 5%, minus 5, minus 6. So I don't know. I will keep you guys updated on what the whole altcoins are doing, and potentially what I'm expecting of them and what they potentially could be doing. That's for it. Basically, I would keep an eye on the whole week, because we have many news incoming, and this could potentially inflect, be seen like in overall volatility in the price action. That's for it. That's for it. This is my market overview, and hope I see you guys in the next video.